This is continuation of Standard 10th History, Chapter 5 Mass Media and History. Television, being an audiovisual medium, shows the actual visual of the event. Television is indeed a treasure house of entertainment. It becomes possible for people to watch all the national and international events sitting at home. Social problems, discussion on education and economics and political events are viewed by people. Government granted permission to private, national and international channels to telecast in India. Doordarshan, transmitting signals over long distances, was one of the greatest triumphs of 19th century inventors. Many tried, leading to a long list of supposed pioneers of television, the most famous being the Scottish inventor John Logie Baird. England, France, and America all had operational television stations by 1939. In 1959, the British company Philips gifted the closed circuit unit kept in an exhibition which was organized in New Delhi. The first telecast of Indian television started on 15 September 1959 from Delhi Doordarshan Center. Famous literary figure P. L. Deshpande was the first producer of Doordarshan. You would find this interesting. Bharat Ek Khoj, a serial telecasted by Doordarshan, has a special place in the history of Indian television serials. It was based on Discovery of India, a book written by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. It was directed by Shyam Benegal. This serial presented the history of India from the ancient to the modern period, throwing light on social, cultural, and political history of respective periods. It effectively portrayed many aspects of Indian history like Harappan civilization, Vedic history, interpretation of Ramayana and Mahabharata, Mauryan period, Turk-Afghan invasions, Mughal period, and the contributions of Mughal emperors, Bhakti movement, role of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, movements of social reform and Indian struggle for independence, etc. Roshan said the actor who played Pandit Nehru's role in this serial also appeared as a narrator, introducing and explaining various parts of the story by dramatizing them using folklore and informative speeches. The serial was admired in all parts of India because of the comprehensive historical perspective of Pandit Nehru and its equally comprehensive visual presentation